This is a quick example of the difference quotient. So the difference quotient is something you're going to use if you take calculus. This is kind of a little introduction here. And so we go ahead and talk about it now and what to do with it. The difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So when you want to find the difference quotient, then you plug in x plus h for f. So plug in x, well, you already have x plugged in f. So you plug in x plus h for f, subtract off the original function, divide by h, and simplify. So for example 1, the first thing we're going to do is just plug in x plus h. Okay, we're only going to find f of x plus h now. So to find f of x plus h, we take our equation, and everywhere we see an x, we're going to plug in x plus h. And then simplify. So x plus h squared is x plus h times x plus h. So we're going to full. We'll get x squared plus 2 xh plus h squared. And then plus x plus h plus 5. Then we'll go ahead and distribute through that negative 2. And combine any like terms we have. There's not any. So that is f of x plus h right there. And that's as simple as we can get it. So that's where we stop. Okay, now we want to find the difference quotient, which is f of x plus h, which we've already found, minus f of x over h. So here is our f of x minus h that we've already, plus h, that we've already found. And then we're going to subtract off f of x. Oh, I have to move this. So if we subtract off f of x, make sure we put it in parentheses. We're subtracting just 2x squared plus x plus 5. And then divided by h. And what we have to do from here is just simplify. So I'm going to distribute the negative down there at the end. I've got to rewrite this as we go. So plus 2x squared minus x minus 5 all over h. And if you'll notice here, several things cancel out. Negative 2x squared and 2x squared makes them go away. Positive 5 and negative 5 goes away. And what else? X and negative x goes away. So we're left with negative 4xh minus 2h squared plus h over h. Now we can simplify this a bit more. Got to move this up some. Maybe that'll be enough. Okay, so on the top, we can factor out an h. And you may see where I'm going with this. Now we can cancel out the h on the bottom. So that's nice. And so we're just left with negative 4x minus 2h plus 1. And that's how you find the difference quotient. First, you find f of x plus h, and then you take that and plug it in, subtract off f of x, and divide by h.